Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial in camera and lens repair. And this will also be about a lens. I like to work with lenses. And in this Mamiya-Sekor C aperture 3.5, and it's a 35mm lens. And it has, as I said, I will try to remove some haze slash fungus because it could be there is something. It's not on the front or middle, it's more on the back in here. And if we take a closer look, hopefully it will be easy to see. You might see there are something. You can probably see there are something in here. Maybe I should try to put a torch through it. Will it help? Yeah. There are at least something. Yeah, you can better see it there. So I'll try to. It's only on the inside of the back lens group. So I have to unscrew this lens group, not the very back lens, but so I can come into the inner and hopefully get it away. So yeah, I will just use a. I will see if I can, because it's not necessary to unscrew the mount and all that stuff. So I'll try to use the number 3 cone, as you can see here, number 3. And hopefully if I press a lot on it, not really that much. So I will use a compass slash lens tool. I know it's not a lens tool, but it works really good in many cases. So it's just a compass, an old one which I have filed and grind, so it can be useful in lens work. And yeah, it's free, so now I can work on it. And there is also a thin spacer in here, which I can show you how it's when it's loose. So I will just loosen it as much as possible, so it comes far out. Then it's out, and then I can just pop it into my hand. And here you can see the inside. Here there's nothing in here, so I can just put that away, but it's more on this lens group. I can just take it. It's really thin, this spacer made of brass. So now let's see if we can see if there is anything going on. Yeah, there's definitely something, which is something here. Just to see if there's anything. No, it's just here on the back. You can probably see it now. It's difficult to see, I know it is, but it's not really that easy. But it looks like some kind of a layer of small, yeah, you can probably see it there. There are some fragments on it. I cannot go any closer. Oh yeah, here you can see it better. This all the really tiny drops. Yeah, there. So I would like to get rid of that, and for that I will try to remove it with some lighter fluid. And of course a cotton bud, which is in this case is peg pad, which I like. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by any company, to make that clear. So I cut them in smaller size to make it more economical to work with, because it makes a lot more sense instead of using a whole paper, wipe. So I can just use a little and see how it will go. Sometimes it works really good, sometimes not. Just a very, very light pressure. So, wow. Well, yeah, it's simply gone. It's simply gone. The lens looks really, really good. And can we see it? There are some dust here on the back, but that's it. But it's absolutely away here from this surface. So I can just put it back in again and say that's all fine. Remember the spacer is extremely thin. So, and then I can simply put the lens in, just to make sure there is not any fragments in here. Yeah, everything looks nice and fine. So I can just put it in, and because I do it in this way, it's just because I don't want the spacer to just fall into the lens. So that's it. That's it. Wow, looks really good. So now I can just tighten it. Let's see if it's just fine. And so that was it. Nice and easy. And the work, the lens is back to what it was. There's just something here on the back. Can get rid of it. Yeah, that's all fine. So that's it about this lens. It looks really good. So hope you enjoy and can use the content for something if you have this problem. So that's all for me. Bye bye.